Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want more powerful Claude features and better performance? Let's subscribe to Claude Pro. Claude Pro gives you access to better models, higher limits, and faster responses. And in 2026, subscribing is very simple, but many users miss important steps. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to subscribe correctly and safely. So let's start by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to log into your Claude account. And to do that, you're going to go to Claude.ai and make sure you log in with your account. After that, you're going to open the account settings. You're going to click on your profile picture here and click on settings. And once you click on the account settings, you're going to scroll all the way down and then click upgrade to Claude Pro. You're going to click on account here or the billing. Let's see here, as you can see, you're going to click on billing. Then you're going to see this option right here. You're going to click on upgrade plan. Once you click on this, you're going to see all the plans. You can review the features and the pricing. As you can see, the first free one is free. The second requires $17 and the max requires $100. So you're going to choose the one that is convenient for you. Then you're going to click on Get Pro Plan. And after that, you're going to enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. Then you're going to refresh to activate the Pro features. And don't subscribe from unofficial websites. Make sure you're logged into the right account, check billing cycles monthly or yearly, and confirm Pro badges appears after subscribing. And you're now subscribed to Claude Pro and ready to use advanced features. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.